Why the Boeing 777X is so delayed. Boeing's newest mega jet was supposed to fly in 2020, but now airlines may wait until 2027. So what went wrong with the 777X? The Boeing 777X was designed to be the world's most advanced long-haul jet, with huge GE9X engines and folding wingtips. But development hit problems early. The GE9X engines faced durability issues that delayed testing. During testing, engineers also investigated issues like an uncommanded pitch event and structural concerns. After the 737 MAX crisis, regulators became far stricter, making certification much slower. The result? The 777X is now about 7 years behind schedule, with first deliveries expected around 2027. Stay updated on aviation news with our channel.